Hello, beautiful souls. Are you tired of strict diets and complicated meal plans that never seem to work? What if I told you that you can lose weight easily without dieting at all? Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm sharing 10 proven tricks that are simple, realistic, and actually work. No crazy diets, no hunger struggles. Let's dive in and make weight loss something you enjoy, not fear. So let's begin. Number 1. Hot water in the morning. Start your day with a glass of warm water. It boosts metabolism, helps flush out toxins, improves digestion, and keeps you feeling full, so you eat less throughout the day. Add lemon or honey for extra benefits. It's a simple, natural way to support your weight loss journey. Number 2. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism. Number 3. No screen while eating. Watching TV or using your phone can lead to mindless eating. Eat slowly, chew thoroughly, and pay attention to hunger cues to avoid overeating. Number 4. Early dinner. Eating dinner early, 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, helps improve digestion, balance blood sugar, boost metabolism, and reduce late-night cravings. A light, healthy meal in the evening can support weight loss and better sleep. Number 5. Physical activity. Regular physical activity helps burn calories, build muscle, and boost metabolism. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, yoga, and strength training help you stay active, improve endurance, and reduce fat naturally. Number 6. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water every day. Staying hydrated helps boost metabolism, control hunger, and support weight loss naturally. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is a natural way to boost fat loss. It's rich in antioxidants that speed up metabolism, burn calories, and improve digestion. Enjoy it daily to support your weight loss journey. Number 8. Add protein-rich snacks. Protein-rich snacks like nuts, seeds, eggs, or yogurt keep you full longer, reduce cravings, and help burn fat. Adding them to your daily routine supports natural weight loss. Number 9. Less sugar intake. Cutting back on sugar is one of the easiest and most effective ways to lose weight naturally. Too much sugar leads to extra calories, cravings, and fat storage, especially around the belly. Number 10. Meditation and positive affirmations. Meditation helps calm the mind, manage stress, and build self-awareness, while positive affirmations encourage a healthy mindset and consistent action toward weight loss. Together, they create a powerful routine to support both body and mind. Losing weight naturally is all about small, consistent steps, not perfection. Be patient, stay kind to yourself, and trust the process. With each healthy choice, you're building a stronger, happier you. Thank you so much for sharing this healing journey with me.